I've got a problem. You see, this is a battery for my DJI drone. I don't know if you can see it. You see that crack? There is a crack. There you go. There is a crack in my drone battery, one of them. I had 3. I have this one that swelled and cracked. I have another one that swelled a little bit and looks like it might crack. I have one left that looks fine, and it charged and everything seems good with it. I think why the equipment's probably doing this is I've really neglected getting out and actually using this stuff. I'd say for a year, I've just been really focusing on work a lot. I'm really edging towards retirement. I'm trying to save for that and just plan that out. And yeah, I've been spending, I guess, a lot of time for that and neglecting to have fun. But you know what? Life's too short. I'm going to start doing it again. We need to have fun. So one of my favorite series, one of the favorite things that I enjoyed making on YouTube is my Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot video. Because I love getting out. It gives me like a little adventure time to go out, find a beautiful place to fly my drone. And so we're going to do that today, even though I've only got 1 battery left. But I think we can do it. We can do it. So what causes drone batteries to swell up like that and crack? I don't know. I really haven't researched it. I kind of think it's because I let the drone sit for so long without being used. I think maybe not using the batteries caused them to swell. Maybe. I don't know. If you know, let me know in the comments. Like if you know why that happened, make a comment. Let me know. Maybe I can do something different next time. So yeah, so I'm getting out this morning doing a little drone adventure. And I tell you what, if you're new to drones or thinking about getting a drone, this is a perfect video for you because you can kind of see what fun you can have with a drone. It'll give you a chance to see what you can film, what the shots look like, what you could possibly film with your drone. And I am no expert by any means. So if I can get some nice shots, you can definitely get some nice shots too, probably better. The drone I'm using now is the DJI Mavic Air 2. It's an older drone now. It's been out for a while. And that might be maybe one of the reasons why my batteries are getting swollen and starting to crack. Oh, it's a sad thing. I have been looking at some other drones. I tell you what, if you're into drones, put it in the comments what drone you suggest me to get. I mean, I've been looking at like the DJI Mavic Mini 3 Pro and the 4 Pro. What's the difference between those if y'all know? Make a comment, let me know. Maybe you can help sway my decision on my next drone, which may come soon if I have one more battery crack. I don't know. Or, I mean, I like the way my drone films. It's not like I'm a big professional or anything. Maybe it'd be better for me just to buy a couple more batteries or something, you know, to keep that one going. I don't know. What do you think? So the place we're going to fly the drone at this morning is the Jensen Beach Causeway, which is in Jensen Beach, Florida. Really beautiful waterway. It's got a big, long bridge that stretches across from Jensen Beach to Hutchinson Island. But it's a beautiful area. The bridge is long. I think it'll be cool. Probably there'll be some cars on the bridge, so we'll get some motion in the shots. And one of the things that I really love to do when I'm making these videos is I like to make get some beautiful shots, of course, and I like to make like a video montage out of it. I love making these type of videos because it kind of gives the stuff that I film with my drone a purpose, a place to show it off. I know people, for the most part, just aren't like, oh, I want to watch some drone videos today or anything like that. But if you're into drones, it might be cool for you to see what another person can film. You know what I mean? Maybe see some of the shots. And it would mean a lot to me if you would vote for your favorite shot in the comments and kind of help me find my best drone shot. I really appreciate the people that watch this. Thank you. Okay, I made some rules just to try to make it a little fun. Okay? Thank you. There's not really people clapping. I just thought that would be a cool effect. But anyway, rule 1. I can fly my drone as much as I want. But I can only pick 3 shots for you to vote on. Once I pick the 3 shots, that's it. There's no going back. After that, then it's your turn. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. I did it again.
Didn't mean to treat you bad, but I did it anyway. And then maybe someone say your life was sad, but you lived it anyway. And so maybe your friends that stand around, they watch you crumble as you fall to the ground. And then someday your friends will stand beside as you were flying. Oh, you were flying oh so high. But then someday people look at you for what they call their only watch you suffer. Yeah, they hear you calling home. And then someday we could take our time, brush the leaves aside so you can't reach us. Yeah, but you left me far behind. Now maybe I didn't mean to treat you all so bad, but I did anyway. I said now maybe someone say you left with what you had, but you couldn't share the pain. No, couldn't share the pain. They watch you suffer. And now maybe I could have made my own mistakes, but I live with what I've known. And then maybe we might share in something rare. But won't you look at where we've grown? Won't you look at where we've gone? And then someday comes tomorrow, holds a sense of what I feel for you in my mind as you trip the final line. And that cold day.
Okay, so I'm driving home now. I picked 3 shots. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. And thanks again for watching.